Tax filing season is in full swing, and there's some new tax deductions you should know about.
That's right. 12 News consumer reporter Sarah Guernelli is here now with what changes there are this year. Sarah?
Well, Kim, Mike, there are several federal changes that could impact your tax return, like no tax on tips, overtime, and car loan interest. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act created several new tax provisions for this tax filing season. Deb Duden is an associate professor at Johnson & Wales University. She says it's important to know what they are.
First one, the no income tax on tips, no income tax on overtime, a special bonus deduction for seniors aged 65 or older, and a deduction for interest expense paid on a new car loan.
She says eligible tipped workers can deduct up to $25,000 in tipped income, as long as their modified adjusted gross income is below $150,000 for a single filer.
It's a percentage of whatever the person had earned as tips in their tax rate. So if they had gotten $100 worth of tips, and they were in the 15% tax bracket, they would save $15.
The other change is there's no tax on overtime. It's a deduction on what is considered qualified overtime pay. The deduction will only apply to the portion of overtime pay that is above your usual wage. Here's how it could shake out.
So if the person normally earns $20 an hour, their overtime pay is 30, time and a half. Half of 20 is 10, plus the original 20, so $30. So they would pay tax on the $20 part, but not on the $30 part.
Plus, if you bought a new vehicle and took out a loan to finance it, you may be able to deduct some of the interest you've paid.
This year, as long as the car was bought in the year 2025 and substantially assembled in the U.S., then the person may take a deduction for the amount of interest paid on the car loan. And that dollar amount is $10,000.
The federal deadline to file your taxes is April 15th, and it should take about 21 days to get your refund if you file electronically. In the studio, Sarah Guernelli, 12 News.